Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Bold BI. In this video, you will learn how to download the 3D pie chart custom widget from the Bold BI site, publish it to your Bold BI environment, configure it, and visualize data in preview mode so you can deliver more impressive dashboards without rebuilding visuals from scratch. This is especially useful when you're building customer-facing analytics and you want dashboards that look polished, modern, and more product-grade than standard charts. Let's get started. Go to the 3D pie chart custom visual homepage. I have provided a link in the video description. From here, download the widget package by selecting Download Now. Go to the Dashboard Server homepage. Select Settings. On the Settings page, select Widgets. Here you can configure any number of widgets for your applications by enabling or disabling them. You can also add custom widgets of your choice and publish them. This makes them available directly in the Dashboard Designer so they can be used like any built-in visualization. To publish our downloaded visual chart, select Add New. From the pop-up dialog, select Browse to fetch the widget from your stored location. Once completed, you will see a confirmation of the process and widget details. Then, select Upload. You will see the widget categorized under Custom. By default, it is enabled, but you can disable it if necessary. For this demo, I'll enable it. If you need to make any changes, click the edit icon within the chart to make changes. I skip this. To remove the widget, click the delete icon. A pop-up dialog will warn of the intended action. Proceed by selecting Yes if needed. I cancel it. To update, click Save. Now we've published our custom widget. Next, let's verify it by assigning data to it. Open the Dashboard Designer. On the Design page, add a data source. Select the Data Sources icon. You can create a new data source or use an existing one. For this example, I'll select Use Existing and choose from the list. Then select Add. After adding a data source, locate the custom chart and drag and drop it onto the design canvas. Resize it to fit your layout. This kind of chart usually works best when you give it enough space for labels and slice visibility. To assign data, select the Properties icon. Navigate to the Assign Data tab. Assign a value and column. Once the fields are mapped, go to the Properties tab. Here you can set the appearance how you'd like. I'll update the name. Then head to the Basic Settings section and enable Show Data Labels. And set data label to percentage. Enable Show Legend and set the position to top. I'll also set Chart Tilt to -50 and enable Show Explode. Once everything is configured as you'd like, switch to Preview mode. You can see the 3D pie chart successfully added. It shows the distribution across customer feedback and satisfaction. In this video, I've shown you how to add a 3D pie chart custom visual in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. There, you can start a free 30-day trial by clicking Try It Free. If you want a demo from an expert, schedule a call by clicking the Request Demo button. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.